when you just like a. Okay, I'll show you first, okay? There you will see the southbound diesel bar, the controller volume bar. Go to the side, I'll show you. See? It's going down there. 1 and 2, there's two rings, like a circle. It's detecting your, car's spring. The spray pressure is 90 to 120 bar, so the time of detergent. This is the jump on it. This is form. Maybe it's going to see it. Got kind of like a water spray here, I like smoke. Now we're just spraying the wax protection. This is also filtered water, just like the protectant button also. Now it's the left strap for drying the car. Open the top. Fans. So the R6 photo fans are there. Now it's down. It's down now. So I'll just show you. Let's got some like water drips right. It's probably. So now it's down. So still got water drips here. Look at this. Still got some water on there. But it's full. This is the process. Nobody is wiping it the whole time. So this is it. Let's see what you can see close.